Hello and welcome to How to Make Tea with the Cyborg. Now, let's just get over towards all of our stuff. Now, as you can see here, we got ourselves a good old-fashioned teapot. The old-fashioned, it can have a couple people. This is going to do me for most of this evening. We got ourselves a cup, a beautiful mug with a really cool dog. This is from my brother Jack. Still treasure it a lot. Then of course you've got the milk, and of course we need the sugar if you like your sugar. Some people do, some people don't. It's up to people. So today on how to make it, first things first, this, as you can see here, is on a I call it a heat pad. I don't know what it is. It's a Russell Hobbs. It like keeps mugs and things on top of it warm and hot and, I don't know, tempered. And so I just keep this on here to keep this at a nice temperature. When you're ready, then we're going to grab this and we are going to have a nice cup of tea. Careful not to fill it too much because you want to be able to add the milk. Unless you're a black tea drinker, which I used to be, but I just gotta have my milk. So with this, we come down to here. Are you going to follow my face? No. We come down to here and we fill her up with milk. This is good milk. This is straight out of a cow and cooled down. No additives, no preservatives, and all that other bull. Nah. Yeah, I know, it wasn't actually meant to be a joke. Then, of course, you got 2 teaspoons. Hello? I'm over here. Sorry about that. The gimbal likes to be on its own. So, we got a dry spoon and a wet spoon for stirring. So, me, I can be a bit naughty. Yeah, see, I can be very, very, very naughty because I like 1, 2 in my tea. Probably not good for me, but oh well, who cares? Well, I mean, it's bad for my health, but still better than Coke, even though I finished this off last night. Then, of course, we stir it up. I'll do it with my right hand so you can see the stirring action. Now, I'm being stupid and got this near a keyboard, so move any electronics away because that's not very good if it gets wet. Very, very bad to be precise. And now we can enjoy a nice cup of tea. We can enjoy it anywhere and anytime. I can enjoy it standing up. You can enjoy it going outside. Or just stay inside. I always vouch for staying inside. And the reason I prefer inside is because you can just sit down, enjoy a nice cuppa, and let the camera freak out, and just sit back and relax. Or, like what I've been doing, So that's how you enjoy a nice cup of tea at home, relaxing, and of course playing your favourite games.